Assalamualaikum class 8. Hope you will be fine students. Here is your book of the grammar tree. Dear students, yesterday we have started our second chapter pronoun and we have discussed about pronoun and its different kinds in detail. And today we are going to start our exercise B and we will complete also exercise C. Students, exercise B, use appropriate pronouns to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. Here are some blanks, 15 blanks, and we have to use appropriate or suitable pronouns for these blanks. Sentence number 1. Tracy is in hospital. Someone told me dash is quite ill. Someone told me she is quite ill. In first blank, the pronoun she is suitable. Sentence number 2. I went to buy new books, but dash were all sold out. But they were all sold out. Sentence number 3. Amira and Jafia are so naughty that dash keep everyone on their toes. That they keep everyone on their toes. Someone stole my watch on the bus. Thank God, dash was a cheap one. Thank God, it was a cheap one. Sentence number 5. Seema saw her uncle and ran to meet dash and ran to meet him. Mother is not at home, so I will have to make breakfast for dash, for myself. Sentence number 7 is I heard the phone ringing in the house, but dash answered it, but nobody answered it. Can't you believe it? We decorated the entire house ourselves. The song was quite mediocre, still dash became popular. We were on a hilltop when the villagers signaled to dash from below. When the villagers signaled to us from below. Sentence number 12. She rarely stands by her word. One can't really trust her. Sentence number 13. Dash trees on the hill are going to be cut down. These trees on the hill are going to be cut down. Sentence number 14. Dash of these books belong to you. Which of these books belong to you? Sentence number 15. For tomorrow's picnic, dash of you must carry a water bottle. For tomorrow's picnic, dash me. All of you must carry a water bottle. Let's revise and here is our exercise C. Students, exercise C, correct the errors related to pronouns in the following sentences. हमने प्रोनाउन की डिफरेंट काइंड्स डिस्कस किए हैं पेज नंबर 8 और 9 पे. तो हमारी जो एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी है ये तमाम प्रोनाउन से रिलेटेड है. इसमें हमारे पास तमाम प्रोनाउन से रिलेटेड कुछ ना कुछ एरर है हर सेंटेंस में. तो वी हैव टू सॉर्ट आउट द एरर एंड राइट दिस करेक्ट सेंटेंस. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे मैं आपको इसकी जो प्रॉब्लम है या जो इसमें एरर आ रहा है वो मैं आपको राइट डाउन करवाऊँगी. आपने इसको अपने बुक्स पे इसी तरह से राइट डाउन करना है. दिस इज़ माइन ओन कार. Here the word mine is not suitable. We will use the word mine. We will use the pronoun. Sorry, not word. We will use the pronoun mine. This is my own car. Okay, students, clear it. Every one of these two boys was awarded. Here the word everyone and was. Here the pronoun everyone and was will be replaced by the pronoun both and was will be replaced by one. Both of these two boys were awarded. Sentence number 3 है जी. We had to wait because someone had lost its ticket. We have to wait because someone had lost. It will be replaced by his or her. Sentence number 4. Everyone have to leave their bags outside, and this sentence is correct. Sentence number 5. I can't go to the party. I haven't got nothing decent to wear. I haven't got anything. Nothing will be replaced by anything decent to wear. Sentence number 6. If you want to have the pie, you can heat them in the microwave. But the pronoun them will be replaced by it. Sentence number 7. Is it a post office somewhere close by? Please. Pronoun it will be replaced by there. Sentence number 8. The two friends still see themselves occasionally. Here the pronoun themselves will be replaced by each other. I gave the books to they. Sentence number 9 is I gave the books to they. Here the pronoun they will be replaced by them. Is that the cars that have been confiscated by the police? Here the word is will be replaced by are, and that will be replaced by these. They painted the whole house themselves. The pronoun themselves will be replaced by themselves. The man which is talking to the policeman robbed my house. Here the pronoun which will be replaced by who. Sentence number 13. This house to be a busy area. This word is disused to be a busy area. Now only a little amount of people live there. Here the pronoun little amount will be replaced by now only a few of people live here. Sentence number 14. I can't see nothing because of the mist. Here the pronoun nothing will be replaced by anything. Sentence number 15. May I borrow that pen of yours, please? Here the pronoun your will be replaced by yours. Students, it was our today's topic, and you have to complete the exercise B and C on your notebooks like that and learn also them. Okay students, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.